Do you think a crane on a construction site is a huge machine? Well, it's just a tiny straw compared to the apparatuses I'm going to show you today. I've gathered the most epic construction equipment, from gigantic cement trucks to bulldozers the size of a house. And at the end you'll see the world's largest crane capable of lifting 22,000 tons at a time. Just think about that number. I'll start with another crane, so you understand the behemoths awaiting you today. Wolffkran 1250B is a high-efficiency crane specializing in lifting heavy loads at construction sites. It boasts an impressive lifting capacity of up to 66 tons and can operate with a boom up to 260 feet long. The lifting capacity can be increased by adding more rope turns as per customer's request. This crane is equipped with a powerful 132 kW lifting mechanism, allowing it to lift loads at a speed of up to 623 feet per minute in single mode, widely used. Thanks to the large winding power of the rope on the lifting drum, this crane can work at heights of up to 2,600 feet, providing a wide range of construction tasks at significant heights. But believe me, not only cranes can impress with their size. LeTourneau L2350 is a gigantic front loader considered the largest in the world. It is used for copper mining at the Ray mine in the USA. Its components were delivered from the manufacturing site and assembled directly at the mine. With impressive dimensions, a height of 21.3 feet, a length of 59 feet, and a weight of 290 pounds, its 16-foot bucket holds more than 80 pounds of soil. The unloading height exceeds 22.97 feet. The movement of this articulated machine is powered by a 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine with a capacity of 62.5 liters and 2,300 horsepower. The maximum speed of the loader is up to 10 miles per hour, and the fuel tank capacity is 4,000 liters, which this behemoth consumes in a day of work. To appreciate the maintenance cost of the LeTourneau L2350, consider the price of each of its wheels, which is about $105,000 each. And also the initial cost of $7.6 million. Not bad, right? Operating this huge loader is relatively simple. There are just two joysticks in the operator's cabin, one for maneuvering around the quarry and the other for controlling the bucket. But if this machine didn't amaze you, just wait and see what else I've prepared for you, as this was just a warm-up. The Hangjiang Heavy Industries Company in China created this unique SLJ 900 machine for laying railway tracks connecting Beijing with Mongolia. The specialty of this road was that it was intended for high-speed trains, requiring a minimum number of rail joints for smooth movement. The figure in the name of the machine indicates its ability to transport bridge spans weighing up to 990 tons. This machine is impressive in size. It reaches a height of 30 feet, a width of 25 feet, but the most impressive is its length of 300 feet. It weighs about 500 tons. One of its significant advantages is the ability of the bridge layer to move on ordinary roads, which greatly simplified the construction process of this infrastructure. Speaking of roads, the world's largest soil roller, the BW332 model from BOMAG, may not be as large as other construction machines, but in its class it is a real record breaker. Its working weight is 36 tons, and the maximum thickness of soil compaction reaches 13 feet. This roller is used in the construction of dams, hydraulic structures, as well as in road and construction sectors. It is also effectively used for soil restoration after mining operations. The width of the BOMAG BW332 polygonal roller is 8 feet, and the turning radius of this roller is 13 feet. An incredible machine that copes where others cannot. The Zoomlion company in China takes a leading position in the development of specialized machinery, and they proved it again by making a giant capable of pumping concrete to a height of 300 feet. The basis of this machine is a 7-axle Scania truck equipped with a powerful 8-cylinder engine with 620 horsepower. The Scania chassis was specially manufactured by Luxor Special Vehicles. The pump unit was developed by Zoomlion, and the impressive 101-meter boom, consisting of 7 sections, including the last 4 made of high-strength carbon fiber, was developed by experts from the world-renowned concrete pumping technology Italian company Ciffa. Liebherr LR13000 is an impressive machine in size and power. The self-propelled crane, created by Liebherr in 2009, is designed to work with loads weighing several thousand tons, while having a power unit of more than 1,000 horsepower. This crane is intended for performing unique high-complexity construction tasks where very heavy loads need to be lifted. LR13000 has been actively used in the construction of power plants, oil refineries and shipyards. With a lifting capacity of an impressive 3,000 tons, the height of this crane's boom is 144 meters, and with an additional section, an impressive 250 meters. To provide such unique indicators, Liebherr engineers solved complex engineering tasks, developing a super-strong boom and a special rotating device. The crane is equipped with two V8 diesel engines with a total power of 1,360 horsepower. Its speed of movement reaches up to 0.8 miles per hour. This machine has a hook weight of up to 122 tons, a length of the tracked platform of about 65 feet, and a height with maximum boom outreach of 720 feet. For the operator's convenience, a spacious cabin is equipped with air conditioning, 3 monitors, and an intelligent crane control system. An Italian grader, unique in its power and weight, was created in 1980. Its impressive weight is 176 tons, and its operation is powered by two powerful Caterpillar engines, one with 700 horsepower and the other with 1000 horsepower. The length of the grader's blade is an impressive 33 feet. Alas, despite its potential capabilities, this grader never started its duties. It was created by special order for the authorities of Libya. However, due to the conflict of Muammar Gaddafi with other countries over suspicions of aiding terrorists, the grader manufacturer was prohibited from delivering the machine to the customer. As a result, this grader, huge and incredibly powerful, remains idle at the factory in Italy. It is known that the machine is in a semi-disassembled state, waiting for its new buyer. Another giant from Italy weighing 200 tons was also ordered by the leader of Libya, but like the grader, did not reach its destination. This bulldozer is also equipped with two Caterpillar engines, each with 675 horsepower. The dimensions of the machine and its attachments are impressive. The entire structure is 39 feet long, the blade is 23 feet long and 6 feet high, and the ripper is a foot high. The fate of this bulldozer, like its grader sibling, is sad. It is also being dismantled. But due to their record-breaking dimensions, I just had to tell you about this pair. The American model Roadtec RX900E rightfully deserves the title of the most voracious milling machine. This nearly 55-foot behemoth, moving on a tracked base, can remove up to 12 feet of asphalt pavement in a single pass at a speed of up to 120 feet per minute. This cold planer, as this type of machinery is often called, is powered by a 950 horsepower Caterpillar engine and has a 7-ton cutting drum. Just make sure not to get in its way. The drum, which has 280 teeth, rotates at 96 revolutions per minute and can penetrate the road surface to a depth of up to 0.11 feet. The teeth of this drum effectively crush the removed asphalt layer, after which the material is directed into a dump truck, following the milling machine for further processing. This machine has impressive capabilities for removing asphalt pavement, making the process of renewing and repairing roads more efficient and faster. The walking excavator Big Muskie, with a 4,250-watt bucket, considered the largest in its class, operated in the USA for 30 years, starting in 1969. This giant, created by Bucyrus had impressive dimensions: a height of 225 feet, a width of 151 feet, and a length of 482 feet. The 255-ton bucket, placed on a 311-foot boom, could lift 220 cubic yards of material in one cycle. On average, the machine moved about 3 million cubic yards of earth per month at the mine. This excavator moved on 65-foot support shoes, using 4 lifting hydraulic cylinders and transverse movement cylinders, providing a step of up to 15 feet. However, in 1999, its service life came to an end, and the owners decided to dismantle it. To remove the boom, it was necessary to blast 5-inch cables. Currently, only the bucket remains from Big Muskie, which has turned into a museum exhibit, preserving the memory of the largest walking excavator in history. Although the Komatsu D575A bulldozer has been produced since 1991, it remains the largest bulldozer in the world. Its impressive dimensions are about 16.4 feet in height, 39.37 feet in length, and 22.97 feet in width. It is equipped with a 12-cylinder turbocharged engine with a power of up to 1,150 horsepower. This power allows the bulldozer to move up to 125.5 cubic yards of material in one go. The Komatsu D575A undoubtedly deserves the title of one of the most impressive earth-moving machines in the world. The CC 8801 lattice boom crawler crane with twin booms is a powerful machine with a lifting capacity of up to 3,550 tons. Its maximum lifting capacity reaches an impressive 48,000 tons. The official launch of the first unit took place in October at the Terex CC factory in Germany. The managing director of ABG, Saket Agarwal, emphasized that the twin crane will be used in the field of nuclear power and for heavy construction work. He also noted the possibility of expanding work at new oil refineries. The Bucyrus RH400 is a gigantic excavator weighing an impressive 1,070 tons. Its impressive parameters apparently inspired the creators of the second part of the Transformers movie, where the RH400 became the prototype for one of the Decepticons. The RH400 is capable of scooping up to 110 tons of material in one work cycle with its 66 cubic yard bucket. To fully load a mega dump truck with a capacity of 400 to 450 tons, it only needs 4 or a maximum of 5 cycles. The excavator has an impressive working speed. The average time of one working cycle is less than 30 seconds. This machine is a benchmark for high efficiency and productivity in the world of heavy quarry equipment. The Vogele Super 3000 Paver rightly bears the title of leader in its class. At first glance it may not seem too cumbersome, but its main advantage is the efficiency of the working organ. This machine can lay an asphalt strip up to 50 feet wide. Imagine that's like laying 5 lanes of road in one pass. The ability to lay up to 1,800 tons of asphalt per hour makes this paver extremely productive. For continuous operation of this device, at least a platoon of dump trucks is required to constantly supply it with material. It is known that this model is standard and one might say widely used in the industry due to its mass production and availability. This crane, capable of unloading ships and assembling huge structures, truly impresses with its appearance. It can lift objects up to 95 feet high, weighing more than 22,000 tons, including entire barges. This gigantic crane, named Tai Sun after Mount Tai in Shandong province, is the largest stationary lifting crane on the planet and was launched in 2009. On the day of the first tests, the crane easily lifted a barge weighing 22,266 tons to a height of 90 feet above the water level. Its main task is to install super heavy superstructures on semi-submersible oil platforms. As a result of the appearance of Tai Sun, the methods of assembling huge marine installations have radically changed, including floating oil production, storage and offloading systems, and semi-submersible drilling platforms. As you can see, not only cranes and quarry dump trucks can amaze with their sizes, but other construction equipment as well. Thank you for watching.